Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode I have this amazing and simple design from Yosash watch faces that is available on Google Play Store under the name of Yosash A445. It is a classy and elegant design that is full of information just in the right place. Also, I'm giving away this watch face to you guys. For that, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. And if you're not able to win this watch face, you can buy it and support the developer's amazing work. Also, it is discounted just for a limited time. So good luck everyone. Now moving back to the watch face design, we have two portions with this watch face. The first one is showing our time in a modern looking font. Then we have the battery percentage, which is present here. At the top, our dual time is highlighted that you can change to any country you want. Also, we have our day and week, which are present here at the top. And on this side, here is the distance traveled with step counter, and rest of the information is present here with some shortcuts. Also, if you want to customize this watch face, just long press on it and tap on customize. Here, first of all, you can change the color of lines in background. Then you can change the color of time and information. So that's a nice way to customize this watch face from Yosash. Then you can also change settings with complications in the end. So that's Yosash A445 available on Google Play Store. Now let's see its always on display mode. Always on display mode with this watch face is overall dimmed down to conserve battery life, and the AOD mode will show same color for the time that you have selected for the main watch face. So that was Yosash A445. Check it out and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.